Hello, this tutorial is provided to you by Lime International. Today we're glad to show you how to actually trade in our trading platform LimeTrader. After this tutorial you should expect a sufficient understanding of how to set up and execute different kinds of orders. Without any further ado, let's get started. First step you should be to access LimeTrader using Go to Trade button in your personal administration page. In the first hand, we need to choose preferred asset in the Assets window by selecting it. We should be good to go. There are two main ways to open an order with LimeTrader. By using New Order button above the chart window here, or to press the right mouse button right on top of the chart window, like so. The right mouse button method is further divided on three different approaches to opening a trade. Let's review those one by one. Sell limit or buy limit will provide you with a corresponding conditional order as shown. Market order will allow you to execute your deal immediately. And create an order provides all those possibilities in one place, where you can tailor your order to your liking. It's worth noting that the placement of your cursor will automatically provide an order with the corresponding price. Conditional order can be found here as well, with which you can set up a condition which executes an order after being fulfilled. For example, it may be a set price touching or crossing a certain threshold. The price threshold may be market, or you may set it up. The time limit when order may happen, volume, and expiration. Algo exit order type provides user with stop loss and take profit. Stop orders which automatically close your deal with certain loss or profit. Executing an order creates a so-called position which is displayed at the portfolio window at the bottom here. We will discuss portfolio window in a different tutorial. This concludes our tutorial for setting up and executing orders in LimeTrader. Stay tuned for more useful information and helpful tutorials in the future from Lime.